Agile, in recent times, has been generally accepted as the way to build software. It's been a huge shift from the linear waterfall model. Too often though, more common sense approaches to development have been pushed aside in favor of bending inappropriate projects and project teams to Agile. The results are a bad experience for the customers, project managers, and developers alike. Hi, I'm Matt, CTO at the software and app development company Spring Digital. And today, we're going to look at the Agile space in software development and understand whether it's right for your project or not. For those who don't know, Agile is an iterative approach to project management and software development that aims to help teams deliver value to their customers faster, with fewer headaches. An Agile team delivers work in small, consumable increments with only basic requirements and plans in place. Results are built and evaluated continuously. There is a strong focus on the minimum viable product, or MVP, which is a version of the product with enough features to satisfy the core needs of prospective users. Developers continue to add on to the MVP until the product is released and finished. The more traditional waterfall method was where a project was spec'd up before work even starts, and then built in iterations and releases along the way. Changes are possible, however, it will require the project plan to be redrawn up to account for it. For the purpose of this video, I will focus on the Agile challenges of a software or app project when you have engaged an external party to build your project. Internal teams have a whole other set of issues like company, culture, and team to deal with. Number 1, cost. The first reason most companies avoid Agile is cost. When engaging a vendor, building a product with a ballpark of a budget is a hard sell to the CFO and finance team and puts a lot of trust in the vendor that the hours reported are actually done. Number 2, project visibility. In Agile projects, requirements are built week in, week out, with a significant amount of unknowns at the start of the project, carrying all the way through to the final sprint. This level of project visibility makes even the toughest project managers cautious, as they try to ensure the project is holistically delivered and no feature is forgotten, missed, or worse, not within budget. Number 3, demands for a timeline. Agile provides very little timeline visibility for you or your project team. With visibility 2 to 4 weeks ahead, just a rough guess in terms of how many stories will be completed, being able to report to the C-suite on project progress, launch dates, and dates with almost any real certainty is impossible. Number 4, the general disruptive process that Agile brings to businesses. With the need to continually write requirements, acceptance criteria, and evaluating the product, the process can put long-term pressure on key players in an organization. For most businesses, building this product is not the sole purpose of why the business exists, and thus the process, week to week, takes them away from their core roles for 6 to 12 months. With this in mind, retreating back to a pure waterfall method is not the solution either. Waterfall, having been used for years, has its own pitfalls too, such as timeline blowouts, cost overruns, and project managers constantly having to rework their project plans to accommodate for changes. The solution I suggest is a blend of both for great success. Spend enough time scoping so everyone knows what they're building. Get it assessed by experienced professionals. Align a project budget to the project. Allow for a contingency to account for changes. Let your project team run Agile internally, but release it to you in a waterfall method. And above all, communicate, communicate, and communicate. Whatever method you choose, the best results are achieved through good project and people management values, being upheld by all members of the team, whether you are the vendor or the customer. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to have a chat to me more about the methods used at Spring Digital or your next project, reach out to me at springdigital.com.au or leave a comment below. Till next time.